Just bought a Jeep Compass and want to unlock its full potential? Whether you're dealing with limited storage, harsh sun damage, or that annoying throttle lag, the right accessories can completely transform your driving experience. Today we're running through 8 essential upgrades that'll make your Compass more functional, comfortable, and ready for any adventure. All product links are down in the description below. Starting at number 8, we've got the rear bumper protector made from top-quality ABS plastic that's both durable and scratch-resistant. Features double-sided tape backing for straightforward installation on a clean bumper, taking about 5 minutes with no cutting or drilling required. Protects interior trunk bumper from scratches and scuff marks while covering prior damages. Provides appealing decorative touch with guaranteed satisfaction and excellent after-sales service. Number 7 brings us the custom Windshield Sun Shade. This thing is super easy to fold and store. Way easier than most shades on the market. It blocks virtually all UV rays coming through your windshield, protecting your dashboard, seats, and electronics from sun damage and fading. Custom fit means it covers every corner perfectly, including the rearview mirror with 0 gaps. Folds up in seconds and stashes away clean. At number 6, we have the Pedal Commander throttle response controller compatible with Sport, Latitude, Altitude Limited, and Trailhawk models. Optimizes 2.4-liter and 1.3-liter turbo engines for safer merging when fully loaded. Features 4 adjustable modes with 36 settings to refine throttle response. Connects easily without tools, clips to gas pedal sensor, and leaves no trace on computer system. Control via free app with subscription-based anti-theft that locks pedal. Safe upgrade that won't write to ECU. Coming in at number 5 is the trunk mesh cargo net crafted specifically for Compass, Patriot, and Renegade models. This hammock-style envelope design is made from non-toxic black polypropylene with 3 times greater elastic range and 2 times longer durability than similar nets. Attaches quickly to mounting points and folds flat when not in use. Easily holds groceries, sports equipment, luggage, and fragile items. Comes with 1-year warranty and installs within seconds with upside-down hooks. Number 4 features the exclusive fit cargo mat and backrest mat made from high-quality TPE material that's flexible with no unpleasant smell. Protects original car from stains while keeping everything clean and adding sense of style. Easy installation with Velcro backing on backrest mat, just place in correct position. Simple rinse with water restores it to original condition. Compatible with second-generation models and includes warranty support for any installation problems. At number 3, we've got the roof rack crossbars constructed from sturdy aluminum bars and die-cast mounting brackets. Arrow wing shape literally reduces wind noise to 0, with ribbed edge designed to break up sound. Features high clearance to rooftops suitable for all kinds of accessories, with total load capacity of 165 pounds when evenly distributed. Easy installation with all tools and hardware included. Designed for factory side rails with fixed preset locations. Feel confident during travel with crossbars bolted securely. Number 2 brings us the Start X Remote Starter Kit, and this one's a game changer for comfort. Add remote start functionality for a fraction of the cost by preheating and defrosting your windshield in winter or cooling down your vehicle before entering in summer. Compatible with push-to-start ignition models, this kit lets you start your vehicle by pressing lock 3 times on your existing factory key fob. The plug-and-play installation includes vehicle-specific T-harness that eliminates wire cutting and splicing for fast, easy setup. Module comes pre-flashed for your vehicle's firmware, ensuring seamless integration. As a safety precaution, vehicle shuts down when door is opened and must be restarted before driving. Optional remote range extender kit available to increase distance up to half a mile. Requires factory remote with power locks, gas, and automatic transmission only, and Windows PC or Mac to complete installation. And topping our list at number 1 is the center console organizer tray made from durable ABS materials. Note that it's not suitable for all limited models. Compatible with Trailhawk, high altitude and sport models, this tray is exactly same size as original center console. Ideal for organizing small items with coin holder and additional storage space, keeping everything in place. Adds extra layer of storage, preventing items from rolling around while driving. Rapid installation takes just a little time to complete, making it an awesome addition to your armrest. So there you have it, 8 must-have accessories that'll seriously upgrade your Jeep Compass experience. From organization to protection and performance enhancement, these additions make every drive more enjoyable and functional. All product links are waiting in the description below. If this video helped you out, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss our accessory reviews. Catch you in the next one.